Show me what you're crying for. I'll wipe your tears on up. If you're so taking love, we'll come for you for sure. If we're caught in a way.
Telaga Serangan merupakan destinasi wisata andalan Kabupaten Magetan, Jawa Timur. Keindahan view panorama alam tidak bisa dipungkiri lagi bisa menarik perhatian wisatawan domestik maupun mancanegara. Dengan latar belakang ikonik dua ekor naga yang menjadi spot foto melambangkan Telaga Serangan ini tak lepas dari cerita magis yang sering kerap muncul dari cerita rakyat yang konon di Telaga Serangan ini dijaga dua ekor naga yang merupakan jelmaan Kiai Pasir dan Nyai Pasir. Lalu seperti apakah keseruannya? Saksikan penelusuran tim Balacakra Entertainment.
Slide on the pimp gang with my pinky ring. Lot of gang, lot of bitches in the icy chain. Why you claim that you rich, that's a false claim. I'll be straight to the whip, no baggage claim. Whole lot of sales, can't even pronounce the name. You ain't got no sales, see you on my Instagram. I be rocking it like it's fresh out the pan. Only when I'm taking pics, I'm the middleman. Walk talking like a boss, I just lift a hand. 3 million cash, call me Rain Man. Money like a shower, that's my rain dance. And we all in black, like it's gangland. Say the wrong words, you be hangman. Why me stick to your bitch like a spray tan? Mister, what kind of car you in the city, love my name.
Salam Rahayu, apa kabar pemirsa Balacakra Entertainment? Hari ini kita sedang membahas salah satu tempat telaga yang terkenal yang ada di Kabupaten Magetan, Kecamatan Lausan, Kabupaten Magetan, Jawa Timur. Ini merupakan salah satu perjalanan Balacakra pertama kali di Telaga Serangan. Jadi harapannya pemirsa, kita selain menguak beberapa cerita rakyat atau mitos-mitos yang beredar mengenai Telaga Serangan yang cukup terkenal hingga sampai ke luar negeri.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Berbagi dan kita akan sharingkan kepada teman-teman semuanya. Oke, apakah teman-teman sudah siap? Siap. Siap. Oke. Kita akan mulai. Saya akhiri. Salam terakhir.
That's understandable, man, but think how bananas you be. You be an animal too. If you were trapped in this frame and caged in it like a zoo, and everybody's looking at you, what you want me to do? I'm starting to live like a recluse, and the truth is fame starting to give me an excuse to be at an all-time low. I sit alone in my home theater, watching the same damn DVD at the first talk, the last talk.